Sullivan has issued a...
Hey, look, it's actually raining out.
Southwestern Ozaukee County in southeastern...
Hold on.
Northwestern Milwaukee County, southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:45 a.m. At 5:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Slinger, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Hartford, Whitefish Bay, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Sussex, Jackson, Fox Point, Slinger, Bayside, Thiensville, Germantown, Glendale, River Hills, Lanyon,